Listen to me. Me no know about the 5G business. Me no know if this is something start from rat, bat or cat. Me no know if it start in the science room where the scientists do something and mix up this and that fi create this a virus. Me no know. Me know say me can't go nowhere. Me know say is on go grocery me can't do. No party nah keep. Me nah meet no man out there. Me can't go nowhere. Me can't do nothing. Me can't have no fun. Me can't even go to church if me want go to church. Me can't go nowhere. Me can't go cross border. Me can't do nothing. Me can't do nothing. Me can't do nothing. All me can do is sit down in the house and watch TV. All me can do is look on my phone and look on the little posts them from Instagram to YouTube to Facebook, all this something there. Is on go so much YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. Me can't look on so much Netflix me can't watch. Me God, me tired for flicks with the net. Me tired of heat. Me tired. Me want go out now. Me can't sit down outside. Police are go come give me one ticket for $800. Lord God. You see what me live in now? Lord Jesus. Lord, what me I go do? What me I go do? How me I go do this now? How me I go live life? And I'm talk about 2 years. 2 years. How me I go live life? That are not life to live. Boy. Me no know, Sam. Me no know. And them people where them work, them go work, them come home. Them go work, them come home. Them go work, them come home. And nothing else left to do. Is that you turn on your yard or you go work? That's it. That is it. That is all. Jeez and peace, Lord. No vacation, no nothing. You can't go nowhere, you know. God, kiss my neck, boy. Me no know.